Mount Rajabasa. Mount Rajabasa is an active type B mountain of quarterly age with an altitude of 1,281 meters above sea level. It is located in Rajabasa district, South Lampung Regency, and has become one of the leading tourist icon in the area. Hundreds of local and foreign tourists come to enjoy its natural beauty. There are 5 climbing points before reaching the summit area. On a very challenging hiking trail, Mount Rajabasa offers a beautiful view jungle that lies with it from. At the foot of the mountain, there is a natural hot spring, Waimlerang, which is believed to be beneficial for skin health. Facilities around the tourist area also continues to be improved, ranging for more organized hiking trail, parking area, tourist area for visitors. A natural beauty, because a natural atmosphere is still maintained and the air is very cold. This is a special attraction for nature lovers. Okay.